First, we have an update on a rural Taylor County hospital that was overwhelmed by COVID patients just 2 months ago. At that time, its COVID unit was at full capacity. Good evening, everyone. I'm Julie Montanaro.
And I'm Ben Kaplan. Now a complete 180. Last month, the hospital closing its COVID unit. Today, it has 0 COVID patients. Savannah Kelly following up with staff and doctors at the hospital there and joins us live now with more. Savannah, I mean, that's some really good news.
Yeah, very good news. The last time I visited Doctors Memorial Hospital, Taylor County's COVID positivity rate was 30%. Now it's down to 10, allowing staff here to finally take a breath of relief. A month ago, this hospital was so overwhelmed with patients that its CEO was scrubbing in to work in the COVID unit. Now the hospital has turned a corner. How many people do you have in your COVID unit now?
None.
Doctors Memorial Hospital has had only a few COVID patients in the last several days and no deaths recorded last week. In the last few months, this rural hospital has had more than 20 COVID-related deaths, which in a community this small is significant.
We've never seen anything like that, and so that was new to us. And so as tough as medical professionals can be, we're still people.
Now that cases are declining, staff are grappling with the trauma of what they endured.
This was a different kind of devastating. These patients were with us for a long periods of time, and if they weren't family or coworkers that we knew personally when they came in, they were when they left.
Some patients stayed in the COVID unit as long as 28 days.
And then to lose them, you know, it's just devastating.
Back in August, Sarah Kaysen transitioned from her role as Director of Healthcare Quality to serving as a bedside nurse in the COVID unit.
A lot of patients came through here, not as many as went through TMH or another facility, but for us in this small community, a lot of patients we were able to take care of here.
Now, staff hope this is the final chapter in their COVID story.
I was the last one in the unit that day, and I actually locked the doors and closed the unit, and it felt very much like closing the chapter of a book.
Staff also said that they could not have responded to the COVID crisis as well as they did without the support of TMH, which partners with Doctors Memorial to provide resources and staff. Live in Perry, Savannah Kelly, WCTV Eyewitness News.
Yeah, Savannah, I mean, it's all hands on deck. I mean, that story really proving it. And also, let's just hope we can keep this heading in the direction it's going in right now, which is the good one. Savannah, thank you.